I've never seen an alligator in person, and I both know.
So today is my birthday. I'm 23 years old today. I don't know what I'm going to do today. My sister has to work later, so that kind of sucks, but I think we're gonna go shopping. But I did my makeup. I really like how it turned out. It went a little sparkly, glittery, like how I always like it. But yeah, I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but I want to go shopping. And yeah, but my outfit, I'm wearing my emo night beanie and emo night shirt, and then I just have leggings on, and then some purple crew neck socks. Also yesterday I got my industrial piercing. I was gonna show you yesterday, but I fell asleep when I got home and I slept the entire day. I don't know why I was so tired, but yeah, so I got my industrial. I wanted this for a really long time. I want to say like 8 years. And I finally got it. It kind of hurt, but it didn't hurt as bad as I thought it was going to, so that was really cool. And yeah, I just really like it. It's healing right now, so it's kind of tender to the touch, but so far it's healing very nicely. So I'm just doing my makeup and I am almost done. I'm doing a yellow sparkly shimmery look today, and I'm just watching some YouTube videos, and yeah. The eyeshadow that I'm using for my look today is the NYX yellow eyeshadow in STFU, and it's just in this little pot, and I use that on my crease. Then I went in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette, and I used the yellow shade Edge, and I used that all over my lid, and then I put the glitter just as like a cut crease a little bit, and that is, where is that? Oh, it's right here. It's the Glitter Goals liquid eyeshadow by NYX, and this one is in Polished Pinup, and this one is just really nice for every day. It's very neutral. So I'm just going to finish up my makeup. I'm gonna take the same shades and put it underneath my lash line. And I don't know what eyelashes to use. I got these two yesterday when I went shopping. They're these ones that are like kind of wispy, and I don't know, they remind me of like a fairy if they were to wear lashes. And then these ones that are more like full and wispy and long. So I don't know which ones I'm going to use, but they're between these two.
Everything okay so far? Yes.